Good morning, my dear students. How are you, everyone? I hope you are all safe at home. In which are the topics we have learned in this lesson? Do you remember? Force, torque, or moment of force, factors affecting moment of force, and some examples, pressure, and some examples of pressure. A push or pull on an object is force. When we apply the force at center of an object, object moves in a straight line. When we apply the force on one side of an object, object moves in curved line. The turning effect of force is called the torque or moment of force. What is the other name of torque? Moment of force. What is the unit of torque? Newton meter. Some examples: opening and closing of doors, twisting the lid to open or close a bottle, turn a pencil inside a sharpener. These are some examples of torque. What is the definition of pressure? Pressure is defined as the force acting on unit area of a surface. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Pressure can be increased by increasing the force or decreasing the area. Next topic is pressure exerted by gases. It means atmospheric pressure. The atmosphere is the blanket of air which surrounds Earth. It is held near the surface of the planet by Earth's gravitational attraction. Without the atmosphere, there could be no life on Earth. The layer of atmosphere closest to the Earth's surface. How many layers are there in the atmosphere? There are 5 layers in the atmosphere. Do you know what are they? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Different gases are in Earth's surface. Earth atmosphere. What are they? 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, remaining 1% of carbon dioxide, argon, water vapor, and other gases. Air exerts pressure on the earth. This pressure is called the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is defined as the force per unit area exerted against a surface by the weight of the air column above that surface. Pressure is a force exerted by the substance per unit area on another substance. The pressure of a gas is the force that the gas exerts on the walls of its container. When we blow air into a balloon, the balloon expands because the pressure of air molecules is greater on the inside of the balloon than the outside. The pressure exerted by a gas is equal to force on the walls of the container per unit area of walls of the container. Listen children, this image shows the column of air exerting pressure on a unit area. The pressure at point X increases as the weight of the air above it increases. The pressure at point X decreases if the weight of the air above it decreases. The atmospheric pressure is not the same at all places on the earth. Atmospheric pressure depends on its altitude. Altitude means height of a place above the sea level. Higher altitudes have a lower pressure because there is less air above you. Lower altitudes have a higher pressure because there is more air above you. As we go higher, the density of air decreases and pressure also decreases. If we stand on the top of Mount Everest, which is over 8.85 kilometer above sea level, the air pressure at sea level is 101.3 kilopascal. Air molecules are in constant random motion. Gases exert pressure because their particles frequently collide with the walls of their container and each other. This is the barometer. Barometer is used to measure the air pressure. In which device that is used measure air pressure? Barometer. Air pressure in space is almost zero. So, astronauts have to wear special spacesuit to balance the pressure from inside. The presence of the atmospheric pressure. Listen this activity. How to determine the presence of the atmospheric pressure. First, take an empty can and pour some water. Boil this water for a few minutes. Steam has driven out the air. Then the can is closed and is cooled down rapidly by pouring cold water on it. It crushes instantly due to the high atmospheric pressure from the surrounding. The can crushed from all directions because the excess atmospheric pressure outside the can, which is exerted in all directions, crushes the can inwards. Children, I have given 2 homework problems in the last class. Do you remember? Did you complete that? We can check the answers now, okay? How to do this problem. Listen here. First question. This is the 7th question from the book. Calculate the area of your body which experiences a pressure of 60 kilopascal by a force of 12,000 Newton. We have to find the area, okay? First we have to write solution. We should find the area, okay? We know the formula to find the pressure. What is the formula for that? Pressure is equal to force divided by area. Force divided by area. From here we have to find the area. So area is equal to force divided by pressure. Okay. Which are the numbers given here? Force. Force is equal to 12,000 Newton. Next, pressure is given. Okay. Pressure. Pressure is equal to 60 kilopascal. 60 kilopascal. This kilopascal we have to find in the pascal. Okay. So 60. For this kilo we have to write 30. That means 1000. Okay. 60,000 pascal. Okay children. Now we have to substitute these values in the formula. What is the formula here? Force is equal to, area. Area is equal to force divided by pressure. So force is equal to 12,000, not 12,000. Okay. 12,000 divided by pressure 60,000. Shall we cut these numbers? Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, balance 12 divided by 60. Okay, 1 12 is 12s, then 5 12s are 60. 1 divided by 5. Listen here, 1 we have to divide it by 5. Okay. We cannot divide this number. Here small number. Okay. So we have to write 1 0. Here 1 decimal. So 2 5s are 10. Okay. What is the answer now? 0.2. 0.2. This is area. Okay. What is the unit? Meter square. Did you understand this formula? Force area is equal to force divided by pressure. We have to substitute these values. 12,000 divided by 60,000. 60 kilopascal we have to change into pascal. So 60,000 pascal. We have to cut these numbers. Then 1 divided by 5. We should divide 1 divided by 5. Okay, we will get the answer 0.2. 0.2 meter square. Area is equal to 0.2 meter square. Listen the next question. A block of weight 100 Newton and dimensions 50 centimeter into 30 centimeter into 10 centimeter rests on a table in 3 different positions with its base as 50 centimeter into 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter into 10 centimeter and 50 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Calculate the pressure exerted in each case. We have to calculate the pressure in each case. Okay. The force is same for all A, B and C. But the area is different. Okay. First one, A. Solution. For A, we have to find the pressure. Okay. So, pressure in position A. Pressure in position A is equal to force divided by area. Is it? Force is equal to 100 Newton divided by area for position A. So 50 centimeter into 30 centimeter. 50 centimeter into 30 centimeter. Listen here. Area is in centimeter. So we have to convert the centimeter into meter. How to convert? 50 centimeter is equal to 50 into 1 by 100 because 50 into centimeter. 50 into 1 centimeter for that 1 by 100 meter. Okay. So 50 divided by 100. We have to cut this number. 5 divided by 10. So 10 is 0.1. So 5 tens are 50. Okay. This is 0.5 meter. Okay. You understand this? So instead of 100 Newton divided by 50 centimeter, we have to write 0.5 meter. Okay, 0.5 meter into 30 centimeter. When we convert 30 centimeter into meter, we will get the number. Which number? 0.3 meter. Okay, 0.3 meter. We have to convert like the same number. Okay, 50 centimeter, we have to get 0.5 meter. Like that, 30 centimeter, when we convert into meter, we will get 0.3 meter. So, next we have to multiply this number. 0.5 into 0.3. 3 5s are 15. Okay. After two numbers, we have decimal. So, 0.15 Newton divided by meter square. Listen here. Now, 100 divided by 0.15. We have to change the decimal. Okay. So, which number we will get when we multiply with 100 in the numerator and denominator? We will get 10,000 divided by 15. Okay. Only the decimal will be changed. So, divide by 15. 10,000 divided by 15. When we divide these numbers, listen here, how to divide these numbers? I will divide here 10,000, here 15. Okay? How to do this? 115 is 15. Here, two numbers we cannot take. Is it 2-digit number? So, we have to take the 3-digit number because this 10 is small when we compare 15. So, we have to take 3 numbers together. So, 6 15s are 90. Okay? Then 0. Here, we have to take bar. Okay? 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Again, this 0 number will become here. Again, 6 15s are 90. We have to subtract this number. 10 minus 9, 1. Again, this 0. So, 6 15s are 90. Again, subtract this number. 0, 1. Then, here no number. Is it? So, we have to write 1 0 here. So, we should keep the dot. Again, 6 15s are 90. Again, subtract this number. Again, you will get like this. So, answer is 666.666, etc. Okay. This is the pressure in position A. What is the number? 666.66. Again, this will be number will be go here. Okay. So, 7. Okay. Newton per meter square. This is the unit of Pascal. Do you understand this? Listen the next part. B. Force is 100 Newton divided by 30 centimeter into 10 centimeter. The centimeter we have to change into meter. Okay. So, 30 centimeter is equal to 0.3 meter. Do you know how to it will be changed? Okay. Then 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter when we convert into meter, 0.1 meter. Okay. Again, 100 divided by, we should multiply this number. 1 3 is 3. Listen here. Here after two numbers we have decimal. Okay. Then how to write this? 0.03. Okay. Meter square. Here after two numbers we have decimal. So, we have to multiply with 100 in the numerator and denominator. Here also 10,000 divided by 3. Okay. When we multiply with 100, the decimal will be changed into this number. Only 3. Okay. When we divide these numbers, listen here. 3. We cannot take in 1 digit. Okay. We have to take 2 digit. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Subtract this number 1. Again 0 10. 3 3s are 9. Again subtract this number 1. Again this 0. 3 3s are 9. Did you understand? Okay, again subtract this number, this 0 will be come down. Again 3 3s are 9. Again subtract this number 1. Here no zeros. Okay, so we have to put one 0 here, then here decimal. Okay, again 3 3s are 9, etc. Okay, so the pressure in position B. The pressure in position B is equal to 3333.33, etc. Okay, Newton per meter square. What is the unit of Newton per meter square? Pressure. Okay. Another one unit is there. That is pascals. When we write in pascal, we have to write 3333.33 pascal. Listen, next one is force is 100 Newton and area is 50 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So, we have to change the centimeter into meter. Which number you will get? 0.5 meter into 10 centimeter changes into 0.1 meter. Okay? Then 100 divided by, we have to multiply these numbers. 1 5 is 5. Here also next we have to write like this. Okay, 0.05 meter square. Listen here, after two numbers we have decimal. When we change the decimal, we have to multiply with 100. 100 and 100. Okay, here also 10,000 divided by 5. Okay, do you know to divide these numbers? 10,000 into divided by 5. 1 5 is 5. Sorry, 2 5s are 10. We have to take 2 digits. No? Then 2 5s are 10 together. Remaining 3 zeros are there. We have to write here. Okay, children? So, how much pressure? Pressure in position C is equal to 2000. Okay, 2000 Newton per meter square. We have to change the Newton per meter square into Pascal. So, answer is 2000 Pascal. Do you understand? This is the important problem. You should write in your booklet. Okay. We can do the exercise now. Take a book, page number 52. Section 1, question A. Name the following. First question. The turning effect of force. What is the answer? Torque. T-O-R-Q-E. Second question. The force acting normally on the unit area of a surface. Answer is pressure. Write the correct spelling. Third question. SI unit of torque. Answer is Newton meter. Fourth question. SI unit of pressure. Answer is Pascal. Fifth question. Force exerted on unit area of a surface by the weight of the air about it. Answer is atmospheric pressure. Sixth question. The device used to measure atmospheric pressure. Answer is barometer. Question B. Check the correct option. First question. Torque is calculated as answer B. F into D. Second question. Pascal is dash. Newton per meter square. Third question. Which of the following is not a turning effect of force? Answer is pumping air into a football. Fourth one. Pressure exerted on a surface depends on area and force. Answer C. Fifth question. The liquid pressure at a point depends on which of these factors? Answer is height and density. Sixth question. The value of atmospheric pressure on the Earth's surface is answer B. 100 K Pascal. Children, study these portions, and also I will send few questions. You should prepare the answers and study well. Thank you.